This is question number 9 of exercise 8.3 of class 8th NCERT. So in this question it is given that find the amount which Ram will get on rupees 4096 if he gave it for 18 months at 12 1/2% per annum, interest being compounded half yearly. So first of all we will write the things which are given in it. So principal is given, that is 4096, and then time is given, that is 18 months. So time is equal to 18 months. So we have to convert it into years. So for converting 18 months into years, we have to divide 18 by 12. So after dividing 18 by 12 we get 3/2. Now we can also convert it into mixed fraction. In mixed fraction it will be 1/2 years. So now next, rate percent is given. Rate percent is 12 1/2%. So as we know that we have if it is given in the question that the interest is being compounded half yearly, so we have to multiply the rate percent by 1/2. That means we have to divide the rate percent by 2. So after converting into improper fraction we get 25/2. Now 25/2 will be divided by 2. So that means we have to multiply 25/2 by 1/2. So after multiplying 25/2 by 1/2, we get 25/4. So as we know that it is given in the question that interest being compounded half yearly, so we have to multiply the time by 2. So the time is 3/2. We can also say it 1/2. So after multiplying it by 2 we get 3 years. So in the question we have to find the amount. So for finding the amount, the formula is A is equal to P 1 plus R raised to the power n, where n is the time given and P stands for principal and A stands for amount and R stands for rate percent. Now we will put the value of P, that is 4096, as it's the principal. Now the bracket will start and at the place of R we will write 25 by 4 because it's the 8% that we had got earlier. So divided by 100 and raised to the power n. N is 3 years. So we will write 3 here. Now we will solve it out. So for solving it, we will write the same as we had got earlier, 4096, and in the bracket 1 plus 25 by 4 by 100 divided raised to the power 3. So 4 and 100 both are in the denominator of 25, so they will be multiplied there. So the denominator will become 400. Now I will write 4096, and in the bracket, after taking the LCM, we had got 425 by 400. You can take the LCM and check it. Raised to the power n, which is 3. So I am cutting the numerator by the denominator. You can also cut it at the end of the solution. So after cutting, we get 17 by 16. So 4096 multiply by 17 by 16 multiply by 17 by 16 multiply by 17 by 16. It will be multiplied 3 times because the power is 3. Now I will cut 4096 by 16. Now I got 256. Now again cut 16 by 256. Now again cut 16 by 16. So after multiplying 17 by 17 by 17, we got 4913. That is the amount we had got at the end. So it's the answer. Thank you.